Oh man. I get this question all the time. I think it's about time I start telling people the truth. Is flipping phones a consistent income? You're about to learn right now. What's up, y'all? You already know. It's your boy B back with another video, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. If you don't know already, my name is Brandon Jones. I am someone that specializes in helping you make an extra income, and we're talking about something regarding your income right now, and that is flipping phones a consistent income? Now, what I determine, what I label as a consistent income is something that will bring you money over and over and over and over and over and over and over. And a consistent income and a residual income is two different things. So, in this video, first part is going to go based on if flipping phones is a consistent income. The second part is going to be is flipping phones a residual. Now, I don't like saying problems without solutions. So, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys the biggest problem, and we're going to answer it with a very easy solution you can do literally right now. Okay, so stick around for the whole video, and I got your back like a bra strap. You already know. So y'all, listen. Flipping phones is basically you get a phone for cheaper than what you sell it for. So I get this phone for $1, sell it for $2. Give it off to the other bull. Other bull get it. He then goes. He takes this, sells it to another guy, gets $3. Then boom, he gives it to him. And then from there, they go, oh, okay. He takes it. And when he takes it, he goes and gets $4 for it. And it goes so on and so on, right? Now, is this a consistent income? If you are someone looking to make a income like a job, a 9-to-5, this is literally up to you. But from my experience, I will say this: flipping phones isn't a consistent income. It isn't. And I will tell you guys, no matter if I got a phone flipping course, a phone flipping training session, a phone flipping school, no matter what, I'm going to tell you guys the truth. That's my job, to tell you guys the truth. Flipping phones is not a consistent income. It's not a reliable income. Flipping phones is all about how hard you work to get the connections. You got so many people on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, putting out all these ads, putting out all of this money for from their loans, because they're 9 times out of 10 what they do is they have somebody backing them with money, or they go to the bank, they take out a loan, and then they just keep recycling the loan money, pay the loan off, but still can keep some of the money and can keep the lookout. You got some people on YouTube that they sit there, they show you a big couple stacks of phones, but they're all old ass phones. And you got some people on YouTube, they show you stacks on stacks on phones, and it be empty boxes. You can buy empty boxes, and you can go ahead and use them as props in videos. That's all I'm saying. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys any lies. I'm going to tell you guys nothing but the truth. And flipping phones is not a consistent income, but it can be a consistent income based upon who your buyer is, who your sellers are, and how much you're buying at, and what rate you're approaching this at. If you're moving at the speed of light and you're giving out offers consistently, you're making promotions, you're on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, in person, have a storefront, all of this stuff, you're literally bound to find people that want to sell their phones, especially now in this type of recession that we're in. People want to sell things. Right now, the phone market is kind of messed up, only because the new iPhone is coming out this week. So, of course, it's going to be a little slow, but buying phones is all about you and your pace and your rate and having that connection to different people that can help build you up. If you don't have that connection, you will never, ever have a consistent income flipping phones. It doesn't matter how many courses you buy. how much motivation you get. That's why with my course, at the end of my course, I give you direct access to me. Direct access to me, okay? And me and you, we work together every Sunday. As you guys hear in every video recently, we do a plan of attack on Zoom call for free. I'm not asking you for money. I'm not asking you for money to help or something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy helping you guys plan for your week, and you guys are helping me plan for my week too. I enjoy it. So if you want to get an invite and you want to go on Zoom this Sunday, the Sunday time is going to be at 12 p.m. Every Sunday, 12 p.m. Eastern. We are going to be sitting down on Zoom and we're mapping out how we can make flipping phones effective, flipping electronics effective, how we can make it a consistent income. But it's not like you say, hey, I'm flipping phones, guys, I'm buying phones, and people are just ringing up on your line and your hotline blinging. That's not how it works. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of driving. It's a lot of meeting buyers. It's a lot of meeting sellers. It's a lot of danger. It's a lot of everything. And it's not all peaches and cream. It's not. And don't let people on YouTube fool you, man. These guys aren't making no money. They're not making no money. And the reason why I say they're not making any money, because flipping phones is just the beginning. Anybody that's trying to act like, oh, I make 6 figures off of just flipping phones, they're crazy. And they may have 6 figures. If they do, it's all from a loan. And I'm trying to tell you guys the truth. It's not going to be just from flipping phones. If it is from flipping phones, mark my words, it's flipping phones, other electronics, and also having people backing them, having other people buying phones with them too, having a system. It has to be, because it's so many different detractors with this. Prime example, my buyer just told me he just got hit for a $20,000 loss because people have been putting door hinges in iPhone boxes and selling them. So it's like you could be up $50K and then like that, a drop of a dime, you do the wrong thing, or you trust the wrong people to buy phones, and they buy them phones, and then boom, you broke as a joke. You know what I mean? Now, is buying phones a residual income? No, it's not a residual income. It's not a residual income because it's not something that just happens. It's not something that just comes the same amount of times, or it comes at the same amount of profit every month. It's not a residual. But yet again, you can make it a residual. You can make it happen. You can make this something that you can get an extra income off of. And even in all of my courses, I let you know, this is an extra income. This is not a stable income where you could just live off of it. This is like something where you take this money and you use it towards something else, and then you use that money towards something else, and you just continue to gain more and more income. So now let's talk about the solution. The solution is this. I would never just flip phones. What I would do, I would flip phones and I would flip electronics. I have a website called heatherconnect.com. That is where you can get electronics wholesale, and it's going to come to you if you're in the US within 2 days, okay? No longer, it's going to come within 2 days. So you'll have a whole bunch of products that you order wholesale, and you get to pick them out. I'll be doing videos on them. I already send out product boxes. If you want to get test samples, go to I Am Hustler's Mindset, and in the menu, it says product box, and hit product box, and go ahead. You can order 20, 40, and 60. 20 products is only $50, and you get, guess what? 20 products that you get to test out with different apps. You get to see how these products sell, and you get to see if it's something that you like to do. And it is going to help you generate another income. I just shipped out one of the product boxes already today, and I'm excited to say that I get more and more every single day with the awareness of this. A lot of people don't know about it, and I'm just trying to help you guys continue to make more and more of an income. That is one of my biggest goals, is to help you guys make more and more money, okay? So now, from that, I want you guys to understand, if you don't take anything from this video, not that flipping phones does not make money. Not that flipping phones is not something you can make money on a residual basis. I just want you to understand that flipping phones is not something that you should just rely on to pay your bills, feed your family 24/7. And I know you may be thinking, yo, B, Nobody thinks that. And I understand, you may not think that, but some people do, because some people are putting out all of these false expectations out, and people are literally falling for them. And we don't want that. We want you guys to get the full-blown truth. Flipping phones is an awesome extra income. Don't be fooled by all these fake ass people, excuse my language. I know I don't even curse or anything like that, but fake behind people trying to call me out because I use their titles or because I am talking the truth about flipping phones and they don't like it. But flipping phones is a awesome income, easy recyclable income. You just literally doubling your money and not touching anything and getting money back. So it's awesome, but it's not something that you could just sit there and just say, okay, I'm gonna flip phones and sit back and chill and relax, you know? I flip phones, but I also own a couple more businesses. I also have a cell phone store. I also have a refurbishing phone business. I also have I Am Hustler's Mindset. I also have He's the Connect. I also have Airbnbs. I also have Toros. I also sell cars. Like, I have so many different incomes, and it's not just one, you know, and it's not just two, and it's not just three, and it's not just four. I need as many as possible because one can always fall off. So I want you guys to take that from the video, and again, I will be doing you a dishonor if I was not being completely honest with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you watched this video all the way to the end, man, comment, flip, man. I love you guys so much. Peace.